Alright, so now we're just trying something because the wok is actually really good housing for the pizza pan, and even if we just concentrate on the pizza pan, because it doesn't affect the sound when you put it on top. Actually, that's not true, it makes it a little bit louder, so that's good. But I have currently just made a joint contact mic, so I've got one at the bottom, one at the top, which I've joined together with individual switches so I can turn them on and off and individually or together. And I just want to see what it would be like if I placed a object at the bottom of the wok, like I had originally thought, and picked up the vibrations of that rattling through the bottom contact mic, as well as all the stuff that is really cool in the pizza pan. So this is just a little test. Let's see what happens. I don't even know that. Feedback. Let's try this. Right. I guess enough on that. Is that on? Okay. A bit dodgy connection. That one's still on.